everyone, this is Antonio from RandomStuff, and in this video I wanted to go over my favorite compression utility. It's not the one that you see on the screen. I used to prefer using JZip as it's always been quite reliable, but since of late, whenever you download the zip, I'll do it to show you. You get the file.
Potentially unwanted program has been detected.
And this is because it's got this pop warning, which is potentially unwanted program, which in per se is not a virus, but Avast knows that it typically installs maybe malware or whatever in your system. So I decided not to use it, and also because I have to say that my favorite now is the 7-zip. That's the one I wanted to show you. I have also used this one here, which is very good for opening RAR files, as the WinRAR, which I've also used for many years. It's not open source, but RAR file OpenKnife is very good. It's got very good reviews. You can try that one out. I use it occasionally, but 7-zip really does all the job that you need it to do. So I've got the 64-bit version on my machine. It's only 1 megabyte. Make sure you download it only from this site, and it's totally free. So any links that tell you that you need to donate or whatever, they're not real. The reason why I used to use JZip was for the fact that you could put passwords on compressed files. So if you had a folder with some files that were quite sensitive, you could apply a password to the compressed file folder. So if I show you with the 7-zip, so if I have here a folder which has 3 files in it, and what I can do is I can do it in various different ways, but one of the ways that you can do it is you right click on this, you go to 7-zip, and you say, well, let's just add to archive first, and we'll call it test folder, same as the folder name. And the archive format, I can leave it as 7Z, which means that the person who's going to be decompressing that file has to have 7Z on it. Or we can use zip, which is what every machine nowadays have. In fact, if you look at this, I can just say send to compressed zip folder. So everyone on a Windows machine can certainly deal with zip files. So I choose a format to zip for this particular test that I'm doing now, and I'll change the encryption method to AES-256 if it wasn't already. By default it's zip crypto, so I'll put it to AES 256-bit encryption, and I put my password in here that I want to, oops, make it simple. There, and I think we'll just go with OK. And as you see here, I've got this zip folder now. If I have this now on my machine and I double click on it, I can see the test folder, open it up. If I open one of these files, this information cannot be created. This cannot complete the extraction. The destination file cannot be created. Always the same. Go back up. So if I right click and do 7-zip and I do open archive and then click on it there, it's giving me the prompt to put the password in. Maybe it's a bit confusing, just have a look at that all over again. But there's my document, which opens now. That's about it really. The other way that you could do this is if we go on test folder 2, which is a similar setup. If we just compress to a zip folder with the 7Z format, if I open it, I can see all my files and I can just have a look at them. There's no password protection here. If I right click on it, and so basically dealing with something that was already zipped, what I can do here is I can either add to the archive. I come here and I put my password there, 1 AES, and I'll call it new one. And there it is. And now click delete that one. And you can't open it. The only way you can open it is by using the actual program that did it. So you have to go to Open Archive, double click with the password, try again, press the right number, there, now you can see the folder. Play around with it, it's pretty straightforward, but I think you know, if you try 7-zip, you probably will like it quite a lot. It's very, very popular file archiver on the net. Okay, thanks for watching everyone. Cheers, take care, bye.